The first thing you'll want to do is log into your Weebly account using your username and password. And if you come to a screen that looks like this, you'll want to go into Edit Site, or you may be brought directly to this page. Now this is where you're going to set up your URL or website. You can customize it however you'd like to. Okay, so you can really come up with any name that you want, something that's easy to identify. You'll notice that you'll have http:// and then whatever you want to, however you want to customize it, plus .weebly.com, and that'll be important because that's going to be the link that other people would use to access your website. So I'm going to just put in my initials, and you can see that it's taken already, so I might have to add some extra numbers at the end, and I'll add 1, 2, 3, 4, and it says that it's available. Okay. Once I find a URL that is available, I'll click on Continue, and it brings me to the Weebly layout page or edit mode, and you'll see that I've got several tabs along the top that we'll be getting into not only in this screencast but in future screencasts. And you'll also notice that you've got some items over here. Okay, and these are called elements, and these elements are broken into different categories: basic, structure, media, more. Okay, and then you've got some other types of buttons here that you can always click to get you there more quickly. Okay, so that's kind of the layout of your Weebly portfolio. Okay, you can also see that up here at the top you do have a place where you can link if you have a Facebook account or a Twitter account, LinkedIn, your email. So if I wanted an email button at the top here, I could put my email address in there. Okay, I can also look to see if there are other items. So if I have a YouTube page that I have created or a Google Plus page that I've created, I could add those. Or I could delete some of these if I wanted to. Okay, and then you can just click outside of them. But this is your layout. You've also got again some of these different tabs that you will be looking at a little bit more closely in your future screencasts. Now when you're finished, anytime you're finished making changes to your website, you'll want to make sure that you click on the Publish button. Okay. Now when I click the Publish button, it's just asking me, okay, do I want to use this as my website? Okay, so this is the time. If you want to change it, you can, but I like the way I have it right now, so I'll use that, and I'll say Continue. Okay. If you get a new pop-up that says asks you to categorize your website, you can either choose a category. I'll pick education. I can say this is a school or informational, class project, teacher. I can choose one of these. Okay. Or I can skip it altogether, but I'll click on Continue. And now that I've published my site, it's giving me my URL here. Okay, so this is my website. This is a website address that I would share with other people. If I could click directly on it, it'll take me to my live website. And of course I have nothing on there yet, so that's why it looks blank. Okay, so there is a difference that it would be a good idea to get comfortable with. This is edit mode, and I know I'm in my edit mode because I've got these different action buttons and menus to choose from. And this is my live or home page.